Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to discuss the manual of the VHF.
And I am going to discuss on how to make a distress call signal.
While I'm going to discuss the rescue operations in accordance with the IMSR.
Today we are going to discuss about the VHF that is commonly used on board. And this is the example of the VHF1, it's control unit. And we are going to describe each of its button and how we can use it. The first one is the on and off button. The VHF is turned on by a single press on the on and off button volume. The VHF is turned off by pressing the on and off volume button for 3 seconds. Press the button. That means you need to press it 3 seconds if you are going to turn off or turn on the VHF. Next is the squelch. This is the squelch. You can use it by rotating counterclockwise or clockwise. The purpose of the squelch is to reduce the noise, the background, so that you can understand each other. Next is the arrows. This is the arrows. You can use it upward or downward. Next is the OK button. If you're going to click that you want to go, you need to press it. Next, the input keys.
Ano yung tatlo?
You can use it by putting in numbers depending of what channel you want
So this
to
scenario highlights the effectiveness of IMSR.
or to call.
Ano yung tatlo?
And next is the dim. The purpose of the dim is this one. Dim. The purpose of the dim is to adjust the brightness of the VHF if you want a high brightness or a low brightness. Next is the menu. If you want to proceed back to the main menu, you need to click it once, like that. Next is the mute volume. Of course, if you click the mute volume, you're going to mute. Next is return to if you want to go proceed back at the previous window. Next is the dual watch. The purpose of the dual watch is the channel 16 is priority, but you can also listen to the other channel. Next is the distress button. This one, the distress button. If you click the distress button, it will show different types of distress signals that you want to send to other ship, like one overboard, fire, etc. Next is the handset. This one, the handset. I will show you how to use it. If you're going to use the handset, you need to lift it, and if you are going to talk, you need to press it. And after talking, you can release it. But before releasing it, you need to say over and release and put it back. Next is the VHF mini instrument. This one. As you can see, there's a different light, and those lights have their own meaning or definition on board. First one is the VHF, that is no light. If there's no light, of course, it is turned off. And if there's a one green permanent light, meaning it is on. Next is the incoming distress signal. If the light is permanent green and yellow, but the red is flashing, it means there's a incoming distress signal. Next is the distress signals information, meaning if the light is permanent green and red, meaning there's a distress sent in our ship or in your ship. And there's a two type of on how to use radio communication. The first one is receiving the call, and the other one is radio telephone. In receiving a call on channel 16, receiving a call on channel 16, you need to leave and press the PTT and talk, and before releasing, you need to say over and release the PTT and put it back. Next, if you're going to make a telephone, you need to select the channel 16 or other agreed channel of, and then lift the handset, press the PTT, talk, and then say your ship name 3 times and leave it. This is the arrows where you can use in selecting a channel, a radio, or in a menu that you want to use. This is the example of dual watch. This is the priority, the channel 16, but you can also proceed to other channel if you want to listen to the other channel. Next is the set GPS failure, the set and position time. This is the process on how we can go in this menu so that we can know the set position and time of our ship. Next is the self-test. It's a procedure of the self-test. Display test. DSC test, meaning digital selective calling test. In transmitting DSC calls, there's a procedure on how we can go use it. If you're going to call someone's station, this is a process. You need to proceed to the station call, enter MMSI, its number, and after that you can call the channel that you want. And in sending distress signal, you need to press it, then proceed here. And as you can see, there's a different types of distress signal, and just click the OK. What is the distress signal that you want to send to the other ship? But in pressing the distress, you need to press it at 5 seconds. And that's all for today on how we can use the VHF on board.
So the International Aeronautical and Maritime Search and Rescue, or the IMSAR manual, provides a global framework for conducting effective search and rescue operations. A typical SAR scenario can demonstrate or include how these guidelines were implemented or applied in real-life situations. So in this scenario, a fishing vessel named Ocean Breeze with 3 crew members is reported overdue after failing to return to their port. So, the Maritime Rescue Coordination Center, or MRCC, classifies the case as distress situation and immediately activates SAR procedures in accordance with the IMSAR Volume 2. So, search units including a helicopter, a fixed wing aircraft, and patrol boats are deployed. So the search area is determined using a drift data, and an expanding square pattern is used. An on-scene coordinator, or OSC, manages communications and coordination between all units. The helicopter spots the survivors. Now it's in the life raft, and other rescuers rescue the other remaining crews using the patrol boats. The operation concludes successfully, and a debrief is held to improve future responses and to pinpoint the gaps during the operation. So this scenario highlights the effectiveness of IMSAR in guiding SAR efforts, ensuring coordinated, timely, and life-saving actions in maritime emergencies.
So good morning everyone. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to make a proper distress call using marine VHF radio. So when a vessel is in grave and imminent danger, sending a mayday call can mean the difference between life and death. So this is how it's done. Clearly, calmly, and by the book. So let's simulate a real emergency scenario aboard MV Freya near the coast of Maribel. Let's start. Mayday, mayday, mayday. This is MB Freya, MB Freya, MB Freya, mayday. This is MB Freya. Our position is 14 degrees, 28.5 minutes north, 120 degrees, 29.1 minute east. We are taking on water after colliding with a submerged object and our pumps. We require immediate assistance. There are 18 crew members on board. We have life jackets, immersion suits, lifeboats, and an active beeper. We are listing heavily to starboard and unable to maintain power. Over.